I've bought and tested these oil leak sealers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Oil leaks can be a real headache, and trust me, I know. I've had my fair share of messy garage floors and costly repairs. Let's dive into the top 5 products that can help you seal those leaks once and for all.
Product number 1. Permatex Ultra Gray RTV Silicone. Permatex 82194 Ultra Gray Rigid High Torque RTV Silicone Gasket Maker is a game changer in the world of oil leak sealants. My experience started when I noticed a slight drip under my engine after a long drive. I decided to try this product and wow, was I impressed. The design is specifically tailored for high torque and high vibration applications, which means it can handle the rough and tough conditions of an engine environment. I applied it around my oil pan and timing cover, following the instructions carefully. Its ultra gray color blends well, and while applying, I noticed how smoothly it spread. What stood out to me was the low odor and non-corrosive formula, making it user-friendly. After letting it cure, I took my car for a spin, and sure enough, the drip was gone. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros include its maximum vibration resistance, outstanding resistance to oils, cooling, and shop fluids, which is essential in keeping everything sealed tight. It's also versatile. You can use it on valve covers, water pumps, and more. However, the only downside I found was that it requires some time to cure fully, which means you might have to wait before hitting the road again. So why should you buy the Permatex Ultra Gray? If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality sealant that can withstand the tough conditions of an engine, this is it. It's designed to last, offering peace of mind that your leaks will be sealed for the long haul.
Product number 2, RT201B Nylog Gasket Sealant, is the RT201B Nylog Gasket or Thread Sealant. I stumbled upon this gem while searching for a solution for some pesky threaded connections that just wouldn't seal properly. First off, its compact size is perfect for storage in your toolbox, and weighing in at just 0.8 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight. The moment I opened the tube, I was impressed by its consistency. It's thick enough to adhere well without being a mess. The application was smooth, and since it's designed not to contaminate systems, I felt confident that I wasn't creating more issues. One of the highlights for me was its ability to seal flares and threaded connections. It's not just a sealant, it also lubricates O-rings and gaskets, which is a bonus. On the flip side, the only drawback I found is that it might not be suitable for larger projects where you need more volume, but that's not what it's designed for. So why buy the RT201B Nylog? If you're dealing with HVAC systems or refrigeration applications, this product is a must-have. It's OEM approved, and you can trust that it won't let you down when it comes to sealing those vital connections.
Product number 3. Vispella High Temp RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. Let's talk about the Vispella High Temperature RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. This product caught my eye because of its waterproof and oil-resistant properties. I had a situation where my engine was leaking oil, and I was worried about the damage it could cause over time. I decided to give this black gel a shot, and I'm glad I did. The application was straightforward. It's thick yet easy to spread, and I appreciated how it didn't drip or run off, allowing for precise application. What really amazed me was its flexibility. After curing, it retained its shape and elasticity, which is essential for automotive applications where parts expand and contract with temperature changes. It can withstand a temperature range from -54°C to 343°C, making it a reliable choice for extreme conditions. On the downside, it does require some patience as it takes time to cure completely, but that's a fair trade-off for a long-lasting seal. So why should you consider the Vispella High Temp RTV? If you need a product that offers excellent sealing properties while being easy to disassemble later, this is a great choice. Its resistance to aging and corrosion means it will stand the test of time, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle. Product number 4. Blue Devil Head Gasket Sealer. The Blue Devil Products 38386 Head Gasket Sealer is a product that I was initially skeptical about due to its reputation for fixing blown head gaskets.
However, I found myself in a bind with an older truck that was starting to show signs of head gasket failure. I followed the instructions carefully, pouring it into the cooling system, and after a few minutes, I noticed a significant reduction in the overheating issue. What's great about Blue Devil is that it's designed for both gasoline and diesel engines, which adds to its versatility. The permanent seal it provides is impressive. After using it, I didn't have to worry about leaks or other issues, and it bonded well to various materials, including metal and plastic. The only downside I encountered was that it's a bit pricier than other options, but given its effectiveness, I think it's worth it. Why buy the Blue Devil head gasket sealer? If you're facing serious engine issues and want a reliable solution without tearing apart your engine, this product is a lifesaver. It's safe to use and doesn't contain any harmful particulates, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to extend the life of their vehicle. Product number 5, Permatex 81180 Automatic Transmission RTV Sealant. We have the Permatex 81180 Automatic Transmission RTV Sealant. I found this product while searching for a sealant that could withstand the harsh conditions of automatic transmission fluid. The application was simple, just squeeze it out of the tube, and I appreciated how it didn't make a mess. It's formulated to resist aging and thermal cycling, which means it won't harden, shrink, or crack over time. What impressed me most was its sensor-safe formula. I didn't have to worry about damaging any sensors while applying it, which is a huge plus in modern vehicles. Additionally, it provides good adhesion while retaining flexibility, making it a reliable choice for transmission pans and case halves. On the downside, it's a bit on the lower volume side, so if you have a larger project, you might need multiple tubes. Why buy the Permatex Automatic Transmission RTV? If you're looking for a dependable sealant that can handle the demands of automatic transmission fluid, this is your go-to. It's user-friendly and offers a long-lasting seal, ensuring your vehicle stays in top shape. In conclusion, whether you're dealing with a simple oil leak or a more complex issue like a blown head gasket, these top 5 oil leak sealers have got you covered. Each product offers unique features, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Don't let leaks ruin your day. Take action and seal the deal.